Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy F41 and why I think it's the best time to buy this smartphone from Flipkart during this Big Billion Day sale. As you guys know, this smartphone starts at about 16,999 rupees, but there is actually a scheme on Flipkart and you can actually technically get it for less than about 10,000 rupees. So guys, let's have a look how you can get this smartphone for less than 10,000 rupees. I've made some points, and guys, this is going on sale on Flipkart from 16th October, and yes, you have that special discount initially, but before that, let me talk about some of the highlights of this smartphone. And many of you keep asking me about non-Chinese mid-range smartphones. If you're looking for that, you can consider this. This of course has that Super AMOLED screen, then it also has that big 6000 milliamp hour battery, and the rear main camera is actually the 64 megapixel. We also have an ultra wide, and we also have the single shot, and the front facing camera is actually a 32 megapixel on this one. In fact, another thing about this smartphone, and I missed talking about this one in my unboxing video, is that it has very low SAR value. In fact, SAR value on head is just 0.383, which is among the lowest among most of the smartphones in this price range. And now let's talk how you can get this smartphone for less than 10,000 rupees during this Flipkart sale. There is something new, the scheme known as Flipkart Smart Upgrade Program. I also came to know about it just now. And if you look at this screenshot, it does actually says it's powered by Galaxy Forever, and it says you can get the Samsung Galaxy F41 for just about 70% of the price point. And what it is, I went a little bit deep into this, and they say that the consumers need to pay just 70% of the price of this smartphone, and after 12 months you can actually pay that 30% if you want to retain this device, or you can also exchange stuff. So this is how it works. So this is how it is. And to give you an idea how you can get this for less than 10,000 rupees, here is a chart. Just look at it, and let's talk about the base variant. 6 gigabytes for 64 GB of storage. There is also listings for that 6 gigabytes and 128, and as you can see, the regular price is 16,999 rupees, but during this initial sale they have a special discount. I think this is a limited discount of 1,500 rupees that you are getting. So effectively you can get this smartphone for 15,499 as of now. But if you opt for this Flipkart Smart Upgrade Program that they have for this smartphone, you can get that 30% off. So that works out to be 4,650 rupees. But again, add that 11 rupees because they charge 11 rupees for enrolling into this program. So effectively you can get this variant for 10,860 rupees. But now, because of this Flipkart Big Billion Day sale, if you have those SBI cards and all those things, you're getting that 10% discount. So if you add that, you can get this for 9,774 rupees. So again, yes, you can get it for less than 10,000 rupees. So again, guys, if you're looking for a Samsung phone and you're looking for this Galaxy F41, I feel this is the best time to get it during this Flipkart Big Billion Day using this new scheme, that is the Flipkart Smart Upgrade Program. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Again, to know more about this smartphone, guys, I'll leave the link of my unboxing video. Check out that for more info. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.